Have you ever imagined a world where your sales team, customer support, and marketing department don't just work harder, they work smarter? Where your CRM doesn't just store data, it thinks, analyzes, and acts for you. That's exactly what Salesforce is building with Agentforce 360. And now, by integrating OpenAI and Anthropic, the company has taken one of the boldest steps in enterprise AI history. This isn't just another tech partnership. This is the start of the Agentic AI era for business. Let us break down what is really happening, why this move matters, and how it is about to redefine how every modern company operates. The vision behind Agentforce 360. Salesforce isn't new to AI. They introduced Einstein years ago, the AI assistant that could predict leads, forecast sales, and analyze performance. But Agentforce 360? That's a completely different beast. Einstein analyzed data, but Agentforce acts on it. It doesn't just give you insights, it takes action. Think of it as your company's digital workforce, a fleet of intelligent AI agents, powered by OpenAI's reasoning capabilities and Anthropic's safety-first design, working inside your Salesforce ecosystem. It's not about replacing people, it's about empowering them to focus on creativity, strategy, and human connection, while the AI handles the repetitive, data-heavy, boring stuff. Why OpenAI and Anthropic? Now, you might be wondering, why did Salesforce choose both OpenAI and Anthropic? The answer is brilliant: balance. OpenAI brings unmatched generative and reasoning power. We're talking GPT-5 level intelligence, the kind of model that can write emails, summarize client meetings, generate proposals, and even forecast sales trends. Anthropic, on the other hand, brings trust, alignment, and governance. Its Claude models are known for their reasoning ability, transparency, and safer interactions, which is crucial for enterprise clients in industries like finance, healthcare, and law. Together, they form the perfect AI ecosystem: power plus safety. Salesforce gets the creativity and intelligence of OpenAI and the control and compliance of Anthropic. That's how you build enterprise trust in the AI age. How Agentforce 360 works. So, how does all this actually work inside Salesforce? Agentforce 360 is built on 4 main layers. 1. The Agentforce platform, the AI brain. This is where intelligent agents live, built with reasoning, task planning, and goal completion. They understand context, pull data, and execute tasks. 2. Data Cloud 360, the foundation. It connects all your company data, from CRM, Slack, marketing, service, and external databases, into one unified trusted source. 3. Customer 360 applications. These are your everyday Salesforce apps, sales, service, marketing, commerce, that now become AI native. 4. Slack integration, the communication layer. You can literally chat with your AI agents in Slack. You might type, "Hey Agentforce, give me a summary of all clients at churn risk this month," and draft an outreach email for each. And within seconds, it's done. Emails written, data analyzed, CRM updated. No manual work, no waiting. That's the new level of enterprise automation. Example: the sales team of the future. Picture this. You're a sales rep managing 50 accounts. Instead of spending hours combing through dashboards, you simply ask, which deals are slipping this quarter and why? Agentforce analyzes your pipeline, customer behavior, meeting transcripts, and even sentiment from call notes, then replies, 5 deals are at risk due to slow response times and weak proposal follow-ups. Here are AI-generated emails and new meeting slots to re-engage them. It even syncs the calendar invites automatically. That's end-to-end execution, from insight to action, without you lifting a finger. Example: AI-powered customer service in customer support. The transformation is even more dramatic. Traditionally, service agents juggle multiple cases, searching for past tickets, documentation, and chat logs. With Agentforce 360, an AI service agent instantly reads the customer's message, fetches relevant past cases, suggests accurate solutions, or escalates to a human with a summarized context. Salesforce tested this internally, and case resolution time dropped from 9 minutes to under 2 minutes. That's nearly an 80% efficiency boost. And the best part? Customers don't even realize they're talking to AI, because the tone, empathy, and clarity come directly from OpenAI and Anthropic models fine-tuned on enterprise data. Marketing with AI agents. Now let's talk about marketing. You know how campaigns often take weeks, meetings, briefs, approvals, drafts? Agentforce 360 changes that overnight. Marketers can now say, generate a new campaign for our eco-friendly product line. Include visuals, slogan options, and email sequences targeting millennials. Within minutes, Agentforce delivers. Campaign brief, social media copy, image suggestions, even performance predictions. It's not just AI writing ads, it's AI that understands brand tone, audience data, and conversion history. Enterprise-grade trust, of course. AI in business is only as good as the trust behind it. That's where Salesforce stands apart. Everything inside Agentforce 360 runs under the trust layer, a secure framework that ensures data privacy, model governance, and transparency. Sensitive data never leaves the enterprise boundary. Anthropic's Claude operates inside a virtual private cloud, perfect for regulated industries like banking and healthcare. Meanwhile, OpenAI's GPT models are sandboxed within Salesforce's compliance systems, ensuring zero data leakage. This isn't consumer AI repackaged for business. This is enterprise AI, engineered for compliance. Why this integration matters? Let's zoom out. Why does this partnership matter in the grand AI race? Because Salesforce just made one thing very clear. The future of software isn't static apps, it's agentic ecosystems. Every company, no matter how big or small, will soon rely on AI agents to run key workflows. And Salesforce, with Agentforce 360, has just become the operating system for those agents. They're building the infrastructure where human teams and AI teams collaborate natively. Imagine this. A marketing agent builds campaigns, a sales agent qualifies leads, a service agent resolves tickets, and a finance agent forecasts revenue, all talking to each other inside Salesforce, under your control. That's not automation. That's orchestration. The competitive landscape, and make no mistake, this move positions Salesforce ahead of the curve. While companies like Microsoft and Google race to embed AI into their ecosystems, Salesforce has something unique: domain expertise plus trust. Their customers are already enterprises that depend on compliance, transparency, and deep integrations. Adding OpenAI and Anthropic gives them instant credibility in both innovation and safety. And strategically, it also prevents vendor lock-in. By supporting multiple model providers, Salesforce ensures customers can choose the right AI for the right task without being tied to one provider. That's a smart, future-proof move. Impact on startups and SMBs. Now, let's talk about smaller companies. Agentforce 360 isn't just for Fortune 500s. Even startups can now access enterprise-grade AI agents without building massive infrastructure. Through Salesforce's marketplace, startups can buy pre-built agents. Think AI sales assistant or AI customer support bot, and deploy them instantly. This levels the playing field. A small e-commerce startup can now use the same AI power as a billion-dollar enterprise, automating workflows, handling leads, writing emails, and managing campaigns with zero code. The democratization of enterprise AI has begun. The rise of the Agentic Enterprise. Here's the big idea. The world is shifting from AI-assisted to AI-driven. Until now, AI was a helper, something you used. Now, it's becoming an agent, something that acts on your behalf. And Salesforce, by building Agentforce 360, is defining what that future looks like. Soon, your business will have a digital workforce, agents for every department, each specializing in one core task, all talking to each other in real time. Human employees will supervise, strategize, and innovate, while agents handle execution. That's not the future of work. That's the future of enterprise evolution. The bigger picture. The AI stack. This integration also tells us where enterprise software is heading. At the bottom, you have AI infrastructure, chips, models, and data clouds. In the middle, you have platforms like Salesforce that integrate those models into real-world workflows. And on top, you have applications, the interfaces people use daily. By adding OpenAI and Anthropic, Salesforce is now sitting right in the center of that stack, bridging model power with user action. They're not just building software, they're rebuilding the AI command center for the enterprise. Future possibilities. The next updates will likely take Agentforce beyond text and chat. Salesforce is already experimenting with multimodal capabilities, combining text, voice, and image understanding. Imagine telling your AI agent, "Watch this customer demo video and summarize feedback trends," or design a visual dashboard showing weekly churn analysis. The future of Agentforce isn't just smarter chat, it's autonomous execution. Soon, AI agents inside Salesforce could automatically generate reports, design campaigns, build dashboards, and trigger entire workflows without human input. That's where enterprise AI is truly heading, from reactive assistance to proactive action. How businesses can prepare. If you're running a business, this integration is your wake-up call. Start by identifying where AI agents can replace manual effort. Next, centralize your data. The more organized your data, the more powerful your AI agents become. And finally, experiment early. Companies that adapt fast to the AI agent ecosystem will dominate their industries within the next 2 years. Because soon, AI-first workflows won't be optional, they'll be expected. Final thoughts. Salesforce integrating OpenAI and Anthropic into Agentforce 360 isn't just a partnership. It is a paradigm shift. It's the evolution of CRMs into autonomous ecosystems. It's the merging of data, intelligence, and action. It's the birth of truly agentic enterprises. In this new era, success won't come from who has the most data, but from who has the smartest agents. And with Agentforce 360, Salesforce just might have built the playbook for the next decade of enterprise AI. So if you're a founder, a manager, or a tech lover, keep your eyes on this space. Because the AI agent revolution isn't coming someday, it's happening right now. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone building the next AI-powered startup. And tell me in the comments, do you think AI agents will truly replace traditional software? Because one thing's for sure, the companies that adapt first will lead the future.